Okay, TGIF. TGIF. Wet TGIF. Already on a 70% of our walk. As you can tell, the dogs are nice and wet. We got really wet and still raining, but it was extremely. So my phone's acting up. It's doing whatever the heck it wants to do. So that's kind of crazy. Had to clean the camera lenses. Look at Chicken. Chicken wants to continue walking. I had to pull him because we're heading back home. He doesn't, he's like, oh, well, I got wet already, so I'm staying out here. He didn't want to come out. Now he doesn't want to go back. What a guy. There he is. There's the other wet boy. Have a good day. Happy Friday. Happy Wet Friday, LA.